study ourselves. We've been studying about volcanoes. The problem is it will explode. Background research. Some volcanoes flow fast, some have lightning, some volcanoes can shoot up 100 feet high of lava. The Galapagos Islands is an example of a shield volcano. Stratovolcanoes have lightning, ash, and flow very fast. Hypothesis. I think if I put 3 parts of vinegar, then 1 cup of baking soda, it will explode bigger. What we needed was vinegar, baking soda, and volcano. Damien is going to put the vinegar, then I'm going to put the baking soda. We're going to put both at the same time. We put baking soda first, then we put vinegar, and it exploded, but it looked like red soda. No, it did not explode very big because we put too much vinegar. It's done.